Spring is here, and DeWalt is offering $30 off on 5 different 20-volt tool-only products. If you have DeWalt tools and batteries, this is a great promotion for you. The first item is a handheld pruner. This pruner has an 1.5 inch cutting capacity and can deliver up to 1,100 cuts per charge. Next, clean up the garage and porch in seconds with a 20-volt DeWalt blower. This blower provides up to 450 CFM and is extremely lightweight. Continue the spring cleaning with the pruning chainsaw. This pruning chainsaw is equipped with an 8-inch cutting bar. You can also trim the bushes with this 22-inch hedge trimmer. Notice on each one of these products, it accepts the 20-volt DeWalt battery. Last but not least is a 20-volt trimmer. This trimmer provides up to 22 minutes of run time and is also foldable, so it saves 40% of storage space. This trimmer also qualifies for the $30 in savings. This sale is valid until May 31st of 2024. Visit your local Weingartz and save today.